Hello, beautiful people. Let's get into this recipe. You are going to need a large onion, a large red onion at that. Well, they're really purple, but okay. So I cut them up in small pieces and then I would put it in a 24-ounce mason jar. So this is what I am working with. You can use any size jar that you want, but this is what I use because my family is big. Then I would top it off with honey. After you're done, you're going to make sure that you use any type of stick or a fork to make sure any air bubbles is not trapped inside of the jar. And the last ingredient to this recipe are key limes. This is where key limes play a big role in your immunity with the vitamin C, the antioxidants, and this is what we're going to add to this concoction. So I'm going to use my chopsticks to get all of this stirred and remove all air bubbles, mix everything up. And this is when you are going to seal up your mason jar and you're going to store it overnight. After sealing your concoction up, you are going to realize how thick the night before they were. And as you can see, the consistency is different. The onions have sweated out, everything have mixed up together, and this is what you get. Making sure my spoon doesn't have any type of water on there, making sure to wipe it off clean because you can contaminate it if you add water to this. Okay, any type of small amount of water. So this concoction was the consistency that I was looking for. Okay, because the onions have sweated out and the flavor is very strong and concentrated, and this is what we're looking for.